Hello everyone and welcome to Skill Up with Sheetal. So today we are going to learn how to create a profile on Naukri.com. So let's see the step by step. First of all, go to the Google and search Naukri.com. After that, click on register. The form will open up. After that, we need to fill the all information here. So first of all, fill the full name, whatever the full name will be there, email id, set a password. After that, enter the mobile number which is active. After that, select a I'm a fresher if you are a fresher. After that, current city, and then click on register now. Here, when we'll click on register now, the OTP will be there sent to the mobile number. So I'm verifying my OTP here. Just it is verified. After that, select the education details here. Select graduation. After that, course, whatever it will be, BTech. Course type, full time. Specialization, the branch that you have studied. I will select here the computers branch. Okay, so after that, select your university. Like my university was a Batu, so I will select T Batu here. So when you will type Dbatu, the name will automatically pop up there. So select that only. After that, put your starting year of graduation and the passing year of graduation. Then the grading system. So mostly in the engineering colleges, their grading system is a scale of 10. So select 10. Enter your CGPA here and select the key skills that you have acquired in your college also and in your internships also. So I'm selecting here C++ and C developer. So you can select many more from here. So click on save and continue. So here you need to add a headline. So whatever it may be, like you can say that I'm a proficient in C and C++, like in a database, like whatever line which describes you, you have to put it here. After that, we need to click on looking for jobs. So select the preferred work location. I'm selecting Pune and Chennai here. After that, put your preferred salary. Initially, I'm putting 4 lakhs. Select your gender and click on submit. So here our Naukri profile is ready. So here we can see our 58% profile is ready. So we need to complete the remaining profile. So we'll click on the update profile there and we'll start updating each section step by step. So first of all, here you need to upload your resume. So here upload your resume. After that, add your education details. When you will click on education, the details will be there, like their form will be pop up. So you need to fill all the information that is shown here and click on save. After that, IT skills, add your skills which you know, like which you have acquired in the courses or in the internships. That will be great for your job. After that, click on save. Then click on projects, and here you can add multiple projects that you have done in your colleges. You need to add all the information regarding the client, that project status, like the projects worked from this year to this year or this month. And after that, click on save. So here most of the profile we can update by here, and the most important part here is you must need to upload the profile picture so that recruiters will get in touch of you regarding the job opportunities. So when we'll go to the jobs section, here you can explore many more jobs regarding whatever fields you want. Like if anyone is interested in the front end development, they can search here the front end development and click their preferences and search the jobs. For example, I am writing here front-end developer. After that, select experience, fresher or a one year experience. So I am selecting here the fresher. Enter the location here. Now click on search. After that, you will get all the suitable jobs regarding that particular filter. So you can click on any particular job to get more details about it and apply it, so that you will get jobs easily and recruiter will get in contact with you. Okay, so after that, go to the companies tab. Here you can explore many more companies which are here in India also and which are there in the foreign also. So here you can go to the companies and explore the opportunities there. Here in the left hand side, you can see the all filters are there. You can click on the specific filters to get the jobs, like to get the job updates regarding that only. So you can explore these options also. In this way you can do. After that, click on services. Here in the services tab, you'll get some of the resume templates and all. You can explore these also. So in this way we are going to update our profile. Here you can view your profile and update your profile. Okay, so in this way you can update your profile and get more job calls via email also and via call also.